Shh. Listen. The wind is blowing. Whoosh. The ground is shaking. Rumble. Rumble. Wow. Nature is powerful. These are called natural disasters.
Welcome to Smiley Star TV.
A natural disaster is something that happens in nature. It can be wind, it can be water, or it can be shaking ground. Sometimes, the ground under our feet moves. Shake, shake, shake. This is called an earthquake. Earthquakes happen when the earth moves inside. Can you pretend the ground is shaking? Shake your hands, gently. Good job learning. A volcano is a mountain. Hot lava lives inside it. Sometimes the lava comes out. That is a volcano. A tornado is made of wind, very strong wind. The wind spins around and around. A tsunami is a big ocean wave. It happens when the water moves suddenly. The wave grows very tall. A snowstorm happens in cold places. Snow falls, wind blows, everything turns white. When big natural disasters happen, grown-ups help keep us safe. Kids should always listen to adults. You learned so much today. Great job, little learner. Shall we learn again? Can you remember them all? Let's say their names together. Tornado. Volcano. Tsunami. Snowstorm. Earthquake. You did amazing. Let's watch again. And remember more.